Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your headphones Beats Studio Pro from your MacBook. You have to start by click one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then click Bluetooth settings. And right here at the device list, click the information icon near to your headphones. Right here at the left side, we have a button Forget this device, and you need to press this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but leave them at the device list to reconnect it in future, you need to select Disconnect, not Forget the device, because we will totally remove these headphones from the MacBook. So forget this device and forget device. After that, we can turn off these headphones, and at the bottom of the left ear cup we have a system button or power button or connectional button, so press and hold this button and we just turn off them. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.